Owning a vintage car can feel like a dream come true, an escape into the past where style and craftsmanship reign supreme. But what if I told you that this dream comes with a hefty price tag? Today, we're diving into the expensive truth about maintaining vintage cars. From skyrocketing repair costs to the hunt for rare parts, you won't believe how much it really costs to keep these beauties on the road. Stick around, because you might just rethink that classic car purchase. 1. The allure of vintage cars. Vintage cars are more than just vehicles, they're pieces of history. But that allure comes with challenges. Did you know that maintaining a classic car can cost up to 20% of its value annually? That's right. For a car worth $30,000, you could be looking at $6,000 a year just to keep it running smoothly. 2. The cost of parts. Finding replacement parts for vintage cars can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Many parts are no longer in production, driving up their prices significantly. Collectors often report spending anywhere from $10,000 to $35,000 just to source spare parts. Imagine hunting down a simple brake line or a rare engine component. Each part can take months to find. 3. Specialized mechanics. Not just anyone can work on these classics. Specialized mechanics are essential for proper maintenance and restoration. But here's the catch, their services don't come cheap. Expect to pay upwards of $100 to $200 per hour, depending on their expertise and the complexity of the job. For extensive repairs, those hours can add up quickly. 4. Routine maintenance costs. Routine maintenance is crucial, but can be surprisingly expensive. Oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections typically cost more than modern vehicles due to specialized knowledge and parts. On average, owners spend around $1,500 annually on routine maintenance alone. 5. Insurance expenses. Insurance for vintage cars can also be a financial burden. While some policies offer lower rates for limited mileage, others can skyrocket based on the car's value and rarity. Premiums can range from $300 to over $1,500 per year, depending on the coverage type and vehicle value. 6. Storage solutions. Proper storage is essential to protect your investment from rust and deterioration. Renting a climate-controlled garage can cost between $150 to $500 monthly, depending on your location. If you don't have adequate storage, exposure to elements can lead to costly repairs down the line. 7. Unexpected repairs. Vintage cars are prone to unexpected breakdowns due to their age and wear and tear components. Owners often find themselves facing surprise repair bills that can range from $500 to several $1,000s. One moment you're cruising down the highway, the next you're stranded with engine trouble. 8. The emotional cost. Finally, let's talk about the emotional toll of owning a vintage car. The passion for these vehicles often leads owners down an expensive rabbit hole of restoration projects and upgrades, sometimes spending more than they initially intended. It's not just about money, it's about time, dedication, and love for these automotive masterpieces. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey into the world of vintage car maintenance. We've uncovered the hidden costs and challenges that come with owning these timeless beauties. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just dreaming about your first classic ride, it's crucial to be prepared for what lies ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of vintage cars. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content and stories from automotive history. Got any tips or experiences of your own? Share them in the comments below. We love hearing from our community and learning together. Until next time, keep those engines running and those wheels turning, because every classic car has a story waiting to be told. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.